Hello, you're most welcome in Data Gyan by Manoj. We are going to cover a important chapter, and this will be a series of multiple videos. In this series, we are going to cover 13 things related to the Excel. As you can see in my screen, a spelled array, X lookup, unique, sort by, filter, rand array, combination, ifs. So I will be covering it one by one. A spelled array is this is the formula. This is the thing where we put only one formula and we get result for the whole table. X lookup is a replacement of V lookup and H lookup. Unique is one solution for all removing the duplicacy and getting the unique entries. Also, we are getting the only those data which are having single entry in a table or in a column. Sort and sort by function is used for the sorting of data, filtration of data. Rand array is a replacement of rand and rand between, which is already exist in Excel. So we will cover in detail in going ahead. Combination, we would be using the above formulas, some formulas from the above list which I already mentioned in from first to 6, and we will be covering how can we use this formula to get our result. Ifs is the one thing which is like a replacement of if nested formula which we were using earlier. In this ifs function, you just need to put one formula and you will be getting your result. It is easy to handle and understanding is also very much clear so that you can manage it properly. Max ifs and min ifs, it's like a conditional based if and ifs. Map chart is like if you are having the location names or state or region names, a country name, so you can see the view and performance in a map format. Funnel chart, if you are having some input and output data where you are going to measure each step conversion rate, the funnel chart is one of the best chart, and you we will be discussing in this series. Import stock price is easily trackable, if you getting easily trackable if you are using this new feature of Excel. Geography data type, if you are having some location names, so if you want to see details about like the area leaders and all this, then this feature help you to do that work very easily. And we will cover all these pieces gradually one by one. So let's start with the first one, that is the spelled array. A spelled array formula is the one formula where uh, you can use only what can I say, you can use only one formula, only one cell, and you will get result of your table, a complete table. Like I'm going to show you now itself. These are the tables, and I'm going to remove it. I want to get this information in this table. Earlier, what we were doing, we were just copying each cell and putting into the formula. Now we are having the result in this format. If you see in each cell, I am having one formula. I can say one reference cell. To remove this interdependency, to remove this repeat task, we can go just like this. Select the whole table in one go, and once we press it, enter, we are having our result, and it is very much easy and convenient. Now, with the next step, what I have to do, if I have applied a formula, I spelled array formula, and I am having some result, and I want to repeat it again, I just need to put in this way. Take the first cell and put hash. Now your result is also there. Now, if you are going to make any changes here, like 75, if I'm going to make, then the same changes you can see into your next tables. In this format, you can form the multiple tables, multiple data point as per your requirement. Now, if I'm going to convert this table in table format, then what will happen? Like see, if I'm going to add a new name here and I'm going to put the information, some random information I'm going to put here, and would like to know is it getting updated, but I'm not seeing any changes in my formula and things are not dynamic. Now to improvise this part and make this dynamic view, what I have to do, I have just put the same table here. I'm going to put it again for your reference and understanding. So what am I going to do? I'm going to copy this table and I will put here. I'm just giving a normal view here. Now I need to convert this table into Excel table. To do it, I will select this area and press Ctrl plus T. Once I press Ctrl plus T, and now you need to check it out. Like my table has header and the area is selected. Click OK. Once I click on OK, now my table converted into Excel dynamic table. Now to get the information which I was telling you, now just go and select this complete table. See, the whole information is in front of you. But what changes here? Now I'm going to add another name here, like Rakesh, a number I've given you, and also I've given like 45, and also I'm giving a score of like 556. Now see, the same number is visible here, and your data become completely dynamic. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to do use the same formula, hashtag formula. It's equal to hash. Now see, the data is here. Again, I'm going to make some changes here. As see this, the changes are visible into the next tables. So that is why this is the actual thing which I wanted to share you. Like if table option we are using in our Excel operation, then things become a bit dynamic and we will able to use very easy. The one thing is that about the spilled array, it is just like one understanding which I have given you. Going ahead in other formula, we will use a spilled array formula, and you will enjoy these classes. So thank you for this class. And for now, for now this is done, but I will be adding more videos for other things which are yet to be done in the same series. So thanks a lot. Thank you so much for this.